by Francesca. This is a self-care subscription. It's $29.99 monthly, and you can cancel at any time. You receive 5 to 6 handmade natural and organic skincare products. These products are handcrafted soaps, body butters, lotion bars, bath salts, body oil, shower steamers, bath bombs, body scrubs, accessories, and more. And they are all high-quality, fresh ingredients from plant oils, butters, herbs, clays, salts, and essential oils. Now for the $29.99, this is free shipping, and you do get the 5 to 6 self-care items. It is an auto-renew, and I will put everything in the description below if you're interested in checking this out. All right, so let's get into this box. This is my third month. This is my third box that I've received. And you get a card that gives you a little description on what she has packed in the box. And let's pull this first item out, which is a whipped body butter. It says it's Bliss. Deep moisture therapy infused with cocoa butter, shea butter, and coconut oil. Oh my God, does that sound amazing? This box smells so good. And it just says a little bit of luscious hand-whipped butter goes a long way. The ingredients are the cocoa butter, shea butter, coconut oil, olive oil, and a natural fragrance. Oh, this smells so good. It's not a strong smell. It's a light smell, so you could actually put this all over your body, and it's just so moisturizing. Looks like the theme this month is Gardenia, but that is not Gardenia. That is a really nice one that can go all over the body. So, all right, let's get into the next one. Okay, so this one is the Gardenia Tuberose soap. With an enticing, fragrant blend of beautiful gardenia and tuberose flowers. This handcrafted soap smells amazing and is effective and gentle on skin, made with natural plant oils like coconut, shea, and avocado. Oh, the smell of gardenia. Oh my goodness, does that smell good? I can't wait to get started on that bar soap. All right, so the next one is the Gardenia Tuberose Wax Melts. And wax melts are scented chunks of wax that release fragrance when heated. And unlike candles, the wax melts don't have a wick, so they need to be heated under a tea light or electric wax burner, which I do have. I have some Scentsy burners, and I have tons of Scentsy wax melts that I have not used. I had a kitten and a cat, and I just have not been able to put them out. But this smells amazing, and I look forward to using it. Okay, so this next one is a Geranium Rose Soap. It has a lovely floral blend of geranium and palmarosa essential oils. And it has olive oil, coconut oil, some cocoa butter, some palm kernel oil, castor oil, hemp oil, meadow foam oil, shea butter, essential oils of the geranium, and the palmarosa. And it does not have a strong smell here in the packaging anyway. Okay, so the next one is a Spring Forward Aromatherapy Diffuser. It's a delightful, pure essential oil blend of lemon, sweet orange, bergamot, and lemongrass that is energizing and uplifting to clear the mind. I have not used these in a while because I have the cat, so I don't know. It says you unscrew and remove the wooden cap, remove plastic plug, and place wood cap back on. To get a stronger aroma, slightly tip the bottle to allow some oil to soak the cap and then return to upright position or hang in a small enclosed space. Alrighty, so those are the 5 items that I received in my Beauty by Francesca subscription. I think that my favorite is going to be this whipped body butter. But let's do a quick little recap here on all the products that I received. This smells so good. I so look forward to this every single month. I did receive it, I think, on like May 11th. I've just had so much going on, I haven't been able to open it, and I'm so glad I did because I was actually out of the last bar soap that I received last month. So to do a recap, the whipped body butter, which is a nice size, a 6 ounce, and that feels absolutely so nice. Smells so fresh and clean. And then the Gardenia Tuberose soap, which has olive oil, coconut oil, palm oil, shea butter, castor oil, avocado oil, and fragrance. Oh my God, does that smell so good? That just smells so good. I'm so excited to have that one. And then the tart wax melts, which eventually I'm sure I'll get to, and not too much of a strong smell through the package, but I bet it's amazing once it gets on that wax melt. And then the Geranium Rose soap, and that had all those amazing ingredients in it as well. And then we have the Aromatherapy Diffuser, and Yeah, I'm just, I'm not happy when they do that, because a lot of people have pets and, they just can't use essential oils. But I'm not mad about it. I mean, it's a very nice product, and when will I ever get to something like that? I'll have to look it up. Maybe it's one that doesn't bother the cats. I mean, I don't know. It's just something that I just don't use because I have the cats. But again, I'm not mad about it. I love this subscription. I love these products. They smell so good, and I'm never disappointed. It's amazing. I'm going to continue this for a long time. But that's my own thoughts. What do you guys think? Go ahead and leave me a comment below. Let me know what you think of my Beauty by Francesca. And again, I'll leave all the information down in the description below. So if you're interested in checking it out, I don't get anything from it. It's just a really nice subscription that I'm really happy with. So we'll see you in the next one.